Hello everyone, this is Anglais the Ghostbuster Tech. I just received well, not just, but I received a gift from my wife, and it's something from Middle of Beyond. I'm pretty sure this is Ghostbuster related. So I see that it has been checked by custom because there some kind of a slice from Exacto there. So I'm gonna open it. Oh. 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 Oh, wow. Oh, there's two things. Oh my god. Look at this. This is awesome. First, I'm gonna open this. Oh, there. No need for that. Oh, this is huge. This is awesome. I hope you see it well. Who you gonna call? I took it very large to be sure that it's gonna fit to me. Oh, I'm impatient to try it. But first, I'm gonna open that. Ho, 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 ho. Show it to you properly. This is a scarf. Oh, this is a scarf showing Ghostbusters. This is huge and big. It's magnificent. Okay, let's try it. Let's try this thing. First the shirt. I'm really impatient. Okay. This is really made for cozy winter, like a Canadian winter. This must have cost a lot, because I was whining that in Canadian, it's right now the US dollars really heavy beside Canadian. So, oh, this is cozy. This is really cozy, and oh, I was right to take it 3X because I usually wear 2X, and this is a bit this is wool. This is pure wool. This has been knitted, and this is awesome. I look great. I love this, and let's try it with the, well, this stand is not really wonderful. Give me a second, place it properly. Here. No, not at all. Well, too bad. Put the scarf on. This is my #1 boutique Christmas item. And I'm really happy. But this must have cost a lot of bucks. Well, have a great day and stay Ghostbusters. Bye.